If you have issues with mobile data not working properly on Google Pixel 10a, here's what you can do in order to solve this issue or your issues in general. So first of all, we're gonna open settings. We can proceed to the network and internet. And the first thing that you can do is to check the data saver. And if you have data saver enabled, then of course this might slow down how your apps work with the internet. And you might have some issues with the connectivity afterwards. So I can recommend you disabling this option at least for now in order to see if that makes any difference. Besides that, if you use any kind of a VPN, whether it is like a custom VPN profile, or if you use a VPN app, of course, connecting to a server that is far away from your country might result in the issues with your mobile data, if you use the mobile data, of course. So you might want to disconnect from a VPN if you do indeed use a VPN on your phone, and see if it improves the mobile data network. Besides that, private DNS, it is recommended to set it to automatic. If you provide like a wrong hostname or something, if something goes wrong with the private DNS mode, then of course this can also result in some issues with the mobile data. So you might want to switch to automatic if you made some changes in here. There's also the adaptive connectivity, which automatically switches to mobile network. So if, for example, you use Wi-Fi and then it switches to mobile network or something, or the other way around, then of course this can also be the cause of your issues. So you might want to turn this option off just for the sake of trying to fix your issues of mobile data, and see if that helps, of course. And also there's the optimized network for battery life. So it automatically selects the best network connection to extend your battery life, which itself it sounds pretty great, of course. But you know, you can give it a try. You can turn it off and see if that helps. Although I'm pretty sure this shouldn't really cause any issues with the mobile data. So now we can move on to the next step. So we're gonna go to SIMs. Of course, you can just simply turn off the mobile data and turn it back on. Over here, you can also make sure that the SIM that you want to use for mobile data is enabled in here. And if you use two SIMs on your phone, if you have two SIMs active, then of course you should also be able to choose whichever SIM you want to use for mobile data. So make sure that the proper SIM is selected. In your SIM card or eSIM settings, you can also make sure that, for example, you use 5G. If you switched off 5G and you use LTE or 4G connection, then of course this can result in some issues with the mobile data network. So switch to 5G and see if that helps. There's also the 2G network protection, which you can actually enable, although whether this option is enabled or not, once again, this shouldn't really matter that much, but I don't know, anything can be possible, so you can give it a try and you can turn it on to see if that helps. Also, if you go to the internet in here, of course, we can find Wi-Fi settings, but if you want to still use mobile data, even though you are technically connected to the Wi-Fi, then you can tap on your network, on your mobile data, I mean, in here in order to switch the connection. So now you use mobile data instead of using Wi-Fi. You can also jump to these settings in here as well. And also you can use this icon in the upper right corner in order to completely reset your internet, which can be quite useful. And this might result with the solution. Well, you might be able to solve your issues over here with that. Most likely you will be reconnected to Wi-Fi if you are connected to Wi-Fi. So if you really want to try to use mobile data after that, then remember to switch. Alright, now if none of this helps, there are two more things that we can do and one more thing that we need to consider. So if you go to system settings in here, then we should be able to find, let me actually try to find it. We should be able to find reset options, there we go. And then in reset options, we have reset mobile network settings. So we can do that in order to reset all mobile network settings. And hopefully this can also solve some issues with the mobile data. And another thing that you can also do is simply restart your phone. You can reboot it and see if after restart the phone or the mobile data actually works fine. Sometimes something might go wrong with the software on your phone. It might block the mobile data connection, so a simple restart sometimes can do the trick. And the last thing that you should consider is that sometimes operators and service providers, they may have an issue with the signal with their servers. There might be an outage or something, and of course If that's the case, then you will not be able to fix the mobile data issues until it is solved on their side. So sometimes you just have to be patient and wait for it to be fixed. And that is pretty much it. This is, I believe, everything that we can do in order to try to solve your issues with mobile data. Leave a like and subscribe.